So, welcome back to our second Balikbayan box haul. Okay. So, I can feel this. I can feel this. Okay, hold on. Okay, this is it! Char. Pamain na lang po. Charot. Charot lang. So, guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please. So, this one, wow. Skirt. Ang skirt. Wow. So, mag-unboxing tayo na nakakapako. Diba? Ang bongga. Wow. So, may pinay-help me. So, hindi ko alam kung kanina itong mga to. Papakita ko lang sa inyo, guys. So, yan, obviously, pang Christmas siya. Okay. Oh my God! Feeling ko this is for win-win or tanong ko. Tanong ko kay Mother.
Ang cute! Thanks!
Siyempre, uy! Oh my God, we know na. Meron ka na naman. Necklace.
Saan kayo yun muna?
Ay, yun nasa ilalim.
Kasama mo?
Ay! Oh, taga. Nag-ano, may baka may laman sa loob. Oh, comforter. And of course, this is again for Winona. Of course. And then Amy and Wayne Vapor Inhaler. Thank you. Parang nag-iba yung boses ko. O yung accent ko. And this is Neosporin Ointment. Okay, this is good. Charot. Okay, hindi ko alam kung kanina to, but okay, char.
Sa'yo na.
Wow. Parang nakakaya. Okay guys, actually I can. Kaya natin yan guys. Kung may pinagdadaanan kayo sa buhay, I can. You can.
Probably.
Diba?
And close.
For sure. Ang gaganda. Oh my God. Malamang akin to. Feeling ko akin yan. Oh! Akin to. For sure. For sure. Kasi hiningi ko to kay Mami. Yan. Okay. So, meron tayong pang bagets. So, feeling ko, hindi ko alam kung kanina ko. Later.
Feeling ko.
So, meron din tayo. Wow! Mimi, can you please help me naman? Yan, parang mga legs. Ay, partner pala to. Yan. Oh, ito, meron pa tayong mga cotton on. Cotton on. Yan, mga pajama, ano to, parang mga terno. Yan. Uy, ang ganda naman ito. Okay, so, ang ganda. Oh, bro. Ang ganda. Wow. Ang shari, pang beach to. Gusto niya yan. Yan.
Uy, it's for me. This is for me.
Ewan ka, hindi ko alam. Ay! Hindi ko alam. Kaya ang ganda naman ito, Calvin Klein. Obviously, hindi ko naman kami. But, hindi ko sa akin. Okay. So, meron sa loob. Oh my God! Nakakihintay na wallet. Unboxing. Next video, pero syempre sasalipin ko.
Pwede mo ako settlers cut ka na.
Hindi, mamaya. Thank you. YSL. Okay, so turn again. Okay, I think this is mine.
Nako.
So, ang ganda nito. Sabi natin. So next, ito ay pang ano? Ayan, mga pants siya guys. Ayan. So ito may big paper. So, ito din. Okay, women's request. I know. Volleyball.
Oh my God!
Volleyball.
So
Sure! Hindi mo naman ng volleyball. Oh my God. This is so good. It's like ano, yung para sa kama. Ayan. Oh, ayan. Nagagawa ng madama.
Leather!
Oh,
Leather!
Han, another for you B-complex. Kailangan mo to. Talagang pang sa'yo talaga yung mga B-complex na yun. Ha? Size mo? Ganda.
Ang ganda ba leather?
So, marami tayong mga leggings or mga terno dito. Okay.
Levi's.
And then, meron din tayong mga ganito. Mga terno. I think this is your logo.
Wala akong suit.
Hihirapan na ako sa cup ko, pero sige. Go. Go for cap. Oh my gosh. Parang ganda nito, guys. I think,
Ano, ang ganda niya.
hindi sa akin ito.
Pin ko kay Lola. This is so pretty.
Na-check ko nga, wala naman nakalagay. Pero,
Ito.
feeling ko lang. Yeah, this is so nice. Hindi pa ito natin kay Lola kasi walang mga pangalan ng iba. Lahat to brand new. Char. Oh my God! This is so...
I want that.
This is
I
so...
think that. Ay. Kay Lola ko siya.
Okay! Calvin Klein in the house. Nintay ko rin tong shoes na to. And it's so beautiful. Ayan. Oh, sabi ko sa'yo man eh. Han. Oh, diba? Shorts again. Feeling ko sa akin naman po.
Ito.
And not.
Ito, oh. Hindi ko alam.
We have joggers.
Win-win ah. Kasya sa'yo to. Hindi ko alam po. Yan. Bench. This is Skechers wallet. Hindi ko alam kung paano. And this is a face mask. Unique face mask. And another for win-win. Kate Spade. Yan.
Yes.
So guys, that's for our second unboxing haul. Ayan. So thank you so much for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Mommy Eve. Okay guys, so we're back for our third haul, unboxing haul. So welcome again. So ayan guys, meron tayong bag, hindi ko alam kung ano. Ay, parang yung sa yung thermal. So this is the most exciting part, the most important box. Kasi puro food. Ay, ayan. So organic yan. We have ricola candies, cream wheat, instant hot cereal, cinnamon. Wow! Wow, yeah. Perfect. May maple brown sugar. Ayan. And you have lots of Swiss Miss. Ayan, pang coffee. And of course, ang aming Emergency. May mini organizer siya. Yan. So, here with me. And then, para pot holder. Yan. Kailangan din namin yan. Another Swiss Miss na naman. And then, hanger. Hindi ko alam kung kanina to. And then, may mga posters tayo. Posters na ang gaganda rin. So aesthetic. Tapos yung inyong Emergency. Yan. So meron din kaming ceramic salt and pepper shakers na Mickey Mouse. Ang ganda. So yun ang lalagay yung Ayan. So ito yung table runner. So meron yung table runner. Of course, the exciting part is mga cheese puffs. So, meron din kami again mga table cloth. Ayan. Okay, so ito gusto ko to. Okay. So ito, twin chips ahoy na Reese's. Ayan, wala na. Win.
Chips ahoy.
Pero Rocher. Corned beef.
Oh my God.
Corned beef. So, yan ang mga corned beef, pistachios. Han, pwede yan sa'yo.
Yes.
Okay, so this is also perfect for us. Pub mix. Ayan. Ito, zinc. Supports immune system. Of course, hindi mawawala ng honey. And of course, the libis. And of course, my M&M's and Claritin. And then another Toblerone. And then Spam. Of course, we have Oreo, gluten-free. Hihingal na ako, guys. So, we have our cereals. Pwede siya pang diet. And not, ano to, not the least. Tramontina sauce pot steam. Yan. So, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much, Mommy, again.
Love you, love.
We appreciate everything you do. Thank you so much for this Balikbayan boxes. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Mommy. Bye!
Bye.